Hello, and welcome to the MAT 265 session on finding a limit graphically. My name is Nathan, and I work for the ASU Tutoring Centers. So we're going to first look at the graph on the left side of this board. So we're asked essentially to find the limit about this function at 0 from the right, denoted with the positive sign, 0 from the left, denoted with the negative sign, and then at 0 from both sides, denoted by just 0. So when you're asked to find these limits about left and right sides, you're essentially just finding the y value at that specific x value. So this first one, the limit as x approaches 0 from the right side of f of x. So all you do is find the rightmost side of the function. So that would be like here, right? And then you follow your finger all the way until, so I'm following until I stop. So see how I stop here at that point 0, 10. So that just means the limit as x approaches 0 from the right side is equal to 10, right? Because it's the y value such that my function essentially stops, right? Now let's look at the next one. The limit as x approaches 0 from the left of f of x. So again, same idea, except we're going to start from the leftmost side of the function. So if I do that, I start here, right? And then I just follow it with my finger, right? I'm following the function, following, until bang, I stop, right? The function stops at this point, and this point, what's the y value? It's 5, right? So the limit as x approaches 0 from the left side of f of x is 5. So now, what about the limit as x approaches 0 from both sides? So that one, we essentially solve it by just putting our fingers on both the left side. So putting it on the left side, or the right side and the left side at the same time, right? And then as I follow, right, I follow from the right side, I get to 10. Remember, I follow from the left side, I get to 5. So since the limit from the left side does not equal the limit from the right side, this limit does not exist. So let's get that in your notes, right? So this does not exist. The limit as x approaches 0 does not exist because the limit as x approaches 0 from the right does not equal the limit as x approaches 0 from the left. Right, and there should have been f of x there. Right, cool. So now let's look at the g of x, or the function on the right side. So let's look at the first one. The limit as x approaches -3 from the right. So I know -3 is this point of discontinuity, right? That open circle. So again, I put my finger on the right side of the equation, and I just follow it until I stop at -3. So the y value associated with -3, i.e. the limit, would be -2.5. And let's do this for the limit as x approaches -3 from the left side. So from the left side, again, I put my finger at the left side of the function, and I just follow it all the way down until I stop. I stop at x equals -3, right? And what's the y value associated with that? It's also -2.5. So now what's the limit as x approaches -3 from both sides? So from both sides, right, I just put my finger on both sides of the equation and follow them until I reach that -3. So if I do that, I get a y value, or the limit, equaling -2.5. Right? And that limit equals -2.5 from both the left and right side because the limit of g of x as x approached -3 from the right was equal to the limit as g of x from x equals -3 from the left, right? These two are equal, therefore the limit for both sides is equal. Cool. So with all that being said, I want to briefly talk about the additional tutoring services that we offer. So for any additional kind of support or additional tutoring services or literally anything regarding tutoring, go to this website, tutoring.asu.edu. You can find information on when we're open, where we're open, you know, if we have writing tutoring available, or literally anything regarding tutoring. This second link, it leads you to our website where we have all these additional concept videos. So say you want to, you know, learn more about these, go here, and then this link also gives you information about upcoming review sessions. So that can help you on your exams and whatnot. So with all that being said, thank you, and I'll see you next time.